working title niya ay I Wanna Say Something. It's a reimagination of a mind of somebody, probably me, or anyone who is afraid of speaking up or deprived of sharing his truth. I am not the choreographer who listens to a music first and then the concept follows. I go with the concept first and then I look for the right music. Microphone kasi integral siya dun sa piece. My piece talks about voice. Anyone holding a microphone gives you a sense of power. An amplified voice, and anyone holding a microphone can be heard.